Hey guys, welcome back to the final part of this wig video. So before I install my wig, I realized that my lace wasn't really up to par. So I wanted to try and tint it because normally I use a spray, but this time I found this lace tint and it's from Kiss. All you need is a plastic container, the lace tint, salt, and hot water. So after mixing all the products, I pretty much let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it was a desired color I want. And then I just let my wig air dry, and I will show you guys what the wig looked like once it finished air drying.
This is
pretty
much
much
what the
what
hair
the
looks
wig
like.
looked like air dried in its natural curly state. And I actually love how the curls are actually not symmetric. So now it is time for me to get this closure in order. As you guys can see, the lace is tinted, and now I am going to first flatten out my closure, and I like to do this using two tools, a flat iron and a barrel curling wand. You can also use a hot comb if you have one. In this video I did not have my hot comb, but that is also an option. So I like to take small sections in the front, I would say about 1 centimeter pieces, and I like to go in with my flat iron from the root, hold it down, and just flatten it. So pretty much I don't want to take away from the body of the curls, but I just want it slightly flat at the top so it doesn't look like a helmet on my head. But pretty much I do this throughout the entire front and back of the closure, just going over it twice and flattening it. So now I'm going to deal with the part of the closure. So you might get a closure that's very close together. Some people like that look, I personally don't. So what I'm going to do to fix the part on this closure is that I am going to pluck it. So I'm just going to take a tweezer, hold the lace down, and just gently tweeze away at where I want there to be a gap in my closure. So once you have your desired width, I am now going to go in with my liquid liner and fill in any gaps. For some people, you can decide to go in and do baby hairs. For this particular wig, I didn't really want to do that, so I'm just going to go in with my liner and fill in any gaps. And then once you're done, you can always use a spoolie just to blend everything out. But that is what I'm doing here. So now I'm also going to work some of the liquid liner on the closure just to touch it up as well. And now I'm going to go in with my contour powder and lightly tap into my lace just to match my skin. Alright, so now that you've fixed your closure, the edges as needed, because this does not have any baby hairs, it is time to trim. So when I trim my hair, and I'm sure you guys have seen me do it in one of my natural hair videos, I like to first split my hair down the middle. I'll first cut it on me to make sure it's the right length I want it to sit, and then I'll put it on my mannequin head and just, you know, get the details right. So this is a 14-inch closure, 12-inch bundle at the bottom, and then 14-inch bundle at the top. So I think I want it to sit like here, slightly above, because it starts to get a little narrow. So let's see. And then I take the first half and I cut that in half, and then literally just cut. And take the second piece, eyeball it. So remember, when you're cutting, it's always best for it to be too long, because if it's too short, you're gonna have to keep going shorter and shorter. So when in doubt, cut longer than all the rest of the pieces. Alright, so one side is done for me to know where I want it to hit. So now I'm gonna do the other side. And again, you want to keep your head straight. I'm always gonna wear it in the middle part, not really a side part person. And then I'm gonna eyeball. Ooh, it's kind of hard. Eyeball where, like, again, it's always better to be too long than too short. I think that was a bit long, but I'll fix it on the mannequin. Then I'm gonna do the second. Bam. So now that I've cut it, I'm going to put it on my mannequin and finalize everything neatly. Alright, so my wig is on the mannequin head, and I'm going to proceed to even it out. I've cut the wig on my mannequin head. Normally I would put it on like a stand of a tripod, but I'm utilizing both of my tripod stands. So, you know, if you don't, or even if you don't have a tripod, I'm happy I did it that way. Just hold your mannequin head in your hand, look at the back, and just, you know, clean it up. So this is the final product, and the last step you'll do is as you wear it, you know, you wanna just eyeball any straggling pieces that might seem a little awkward. And you can just easily cut those out before them up. Yep. See, that's why it's good. To, you know, don't be afraid to cut your wigs, guys. It's easy. And so far I really love this hair. Again, I haven't put any product in it yet. This is just its natural curl, and I'm really excited. With time I might even cut it a little shorter, or just order more hair and make a shorter one, and then also buy a longer one, because I'm actually feeling this not having to wand or curl life. Like, yeah, this is a game changer. I don't know why I didn't get hip to the natural wave natural wave curl for hair. So yeah, as you just, you know, play with your hair, you might just find little stragglers and you could just easily clip them off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So if you're new here, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And all my existing subscribers, thank you for your love and support. So don't forget to share this video with a friend, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.